today's video, we are comparing the Pioneer Diamante Pro and the YITAHOME mini split systems head-to-head. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these AC units, make sure to check the link in the description below. Let's get right into it, because both of these systems are absolute powerhouses in the ductless world, yet they cater to completely different needs and spaces. Starting with capacity, the Pioneer offers a focused 12,000 BTUs, perfect for a single room or small apartment, while the YITAHOME steps up massively with 24,000 BTUs designed to handle up to 1,500 square feet, making it ideal for open floor plans or garages. When we talk about noise, the Pioneer clearly wins the silent race with a mere 28 decibels, ensuring you won't even know it's running, whereas the YITAHOME operates at a slightly louder 32 decibels, which is still impressively quiet for its massive output. Voltage is another huge differentiator. The Pioneer runs on a standard 115V, which is incredibly convenient for older homes without requiring major electrical upgrades, while the YITAHOME demands a 208 230V circuit, which provides more power but might need a professional electrician for installation. The installation accessories are generous on both, but the Pioneer comes with a complete 16-foot line set and vibration-absorbing feet right out of the box, whereas the YITAHOME includes a full comprehensive kit but ships in two separate packages, which can be a little annoying. Unique features set them apart drastically. The YITAHOME takes the lead with advanced health modes like negative ion generation and PM 2.5 dust removal for superior air quality, plus an iFEEL mode that tracks temperature from the remote itself, while the Pioneer relies on classic, reliable features like a robust sleep mode and a remote holder for convenience. However, the Pioneer does boast a better low ambient capability in its Diamante series, proving more reliable in harsh winter conditions without the need for extra accessories. You really have to ask yourself if you need raw power and advanced air purification, or if you prefer whisper quiet operation and easier electrical compatibility. Honestly, both are phenomenal machines with high SEER2 efficiency ratings that will save you money on energy bills, but they shine in different scenarios. If you're cooling a large basement or a commercial space, the YITAHOME is a no-brainer with its massive coverage. But if you value peace and quiet in a bedroom or office, the Pioneer is simply unbeatable. After weighing the pros and cons, I personally believe the Pioneer Diamante Pro takes the crown for most homeowners due to its superior noise levels and simpler installation on standard household voltage, making it a more user-friendly and versatile option for everyday comfort. That said, you absolutely cannot go wrong with either choice. And the best part is that both offer incredible value for their specific use cases. So just make sure to click the link in the description to secure the absolute best deal available right now.